Good morning, I'm Eliza, and today is Friday, May 1st.
I'm Tristan, and today's lunch options are pizza, chicken tenders, Caesar salad. Now onto the forecast.
Hi, I'm Tristan.
And I'm Paige.
Map testing is this week. Keep these tips in mind as you show what you know.
Get a good night's sleep. Being well rested helps your brain focus and stay alert during the test.
Eat a healthy breakfast. A good breakfast gives you energy and helps you concentrate.
Take your time and read carefully. Read each question carefully before answering, and don't rush. Stay positive and do your best.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Raylan, and that's a wrap from T-Bird Country. Remember to be safe, respectful, and responsible. If you have an overdue library book, please get that turned in ASAP. Due May 8th. Don't forget to say the pledge.